At the end of my life, when I take that journey all alone, and I'm on my own and there's no one there to save me. Oh, when I look back at all the things that I've done wrong, you know I wasn't always strong. Lord, will you take me? 'Cause I've been down as far as a man can go. I wanna be ready when I hear that whistle blow. And I'm on the last train running, and the devil's coming, hoping that my good outweighs the bad. And I'm headed for the station, my final destination, praying for the Lord to take my hand. And I'm on the last train running. When I close my eyes and I'm holding on to my last breath, I don't want my regrets coming back to haunt me. When it's far too late to ask forgiveness for my sins, I hope my enemies and friends can both forgive me. Will there be tears for me when I go? Or will I be just another name carved in a stone when I'm on the last train running, and the devil's coming, doing all he can to take my soul? And I'm headed for the station, my final destination, praying for the Lord to take me home. When I'm on the last train running, you only get one shot, one chance against the clock, and you only get one life, one chance to make it right. When I'm on the last train running, and the devil's coming,